we're here. We're going down to Malahat, famous Malahat Drive, just at the very end of it here. Heading to an auto wrecker called Blacky's Autowrecking to look at a rear end that's open with the brake drum off, so we can unseize the brakes on that 83 RV we're working on. So stay tuned. Get closer to Duncan, about 20 minutes away. Well, we're coming into the little town of Mill Bay where I grew up here. And don't blink or you'll miss it here. There's Mill Bay Center on the right here. And the private school I went to down there, right on the ocean, it's called Brumwell College. Well, here's the intersection where the Pioneer Square Mall used to be, but it burnt down. And if you turn left here, you go up to Shawnigan Lake, where I bought my first house on the lake. So this is the road where I used to live down. It's called Kilmaloo Road, and I lived on Killipie Road, which was off the Fortune Road, which was off Telegraph Road. So that's where I used to live, down that road there. Yeah, I used to come down here and I'd walk to the highway. It was about maybe 2 miles. And then I could hitchhike from just up here on a road called Shepherd Road. And Shepherd Road, it's blocked off now. But I'd hitchhike from Shepherd Road. And that's right here. And this is where I would hitchhike and get around from when I went to Victoria or Duncan, from Mill Bay, where I grew up, until I was 19 and went to college and University of Victoria. And then on our right here, we've got 18-acre land there that's being sold, and a friend of mine lived there for quite a while. And we used to have a little go-kart track here at Melvin's place right here, right where you can see there's a go-kart track there. And we used to go go-karting there after school, I remember. And right beside it here was the Maxwell's Autowrecking. And my friend Brent Maxwell there, that's where he grew up. So yeah, a little nostalgia here for you. And then one of my girlfriends that I first moved out and lived with, her dad, he lived right there and had a business called the Polar Bear Den. He was a taxidermist. Anyhow, hope you're enjoying the tour here to go look at the RV rear end, so we can figure out how to back off those seized up brakes on that RV we're working on. So this is the Rona and the Demex, the new store for making your home new and fancy there. And we're about 10 minutes from Duncan here. Well, we're turning at the next road up here, and this is just past the Whippletree Junction here. And the Whippletree Junction was an old auction. It's been around for years. We're going to turn right here at Bench Road, coming right up. Then you go down this side road here, and you drive along the side of the highway here. And it's about the second or third driveway on your right here. Here it is here. It's called Blacky's Autowrecking. And there it is. They've been here for like 40 or 50 years, so, and Grant still works here. He's worked here forever, so we'll see if we can see Grant. Going inside and see who's there. Well, here we are at Blacky's Autowrecking, just a few minutes south of Duncan, and they live here in the house. Let's go see who we can find in here. Used to be Grant working here. Hey, are you Grant?
Nope.
Oh, is Grant around?
Yeah, he's just around the corner there.
Oh, okay, cool. Do you know where that RV is? The old Ford with the dually rear end with the brake drum off it? Might be.
I'll ask him.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, this is Blacky's Autowrecking. There's a little office here. There's cameras and everything. A waiting area. Oh, nice car on there on the wall.
Phone, Ford phone. They got a 2014 Alaska. Brand new Alaska. Just down at Dixon Fraser. So we'll get some out.
Hey Grant, how are you doing?
Good.
Haven't seen you in a few years.
Yeah.
How you been?
Pretty good.
Good. Do you know where that motorhome is with the axle off, the dually wheel that I could look at the inside of the brakes of?
That one there.
Is it a 79, was it?
Good afternoon, Blackies.
Yep.
Hey.
Well, how long you been here now, Grant?
45 years.
Oh, that's a long time. Congratulations. You gonna retire soon?
No.
No, you're gonna stay here forever?
Ex-wife.
Oh, yeah, ex-wives to pay off. Yeah, they cost a fortune, don't they?
Yeah, they can be.
A good old fun. Costs money.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Was it in your family that owned it?
No.
Oh, you just worked here.
I just work here.
Well, you pretty much must own it by now.
Yeah.
45 years, buddy. That's a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Holy mackerel.
What's that?
How many cars you guys got here now?
No, this
Probably
one
about
broken 50 valves.
575.
That's my brother's car.
Yeah,
right?
and how many did you have at the most at your peak?
Yeah, it was a hatchback.
That's about the most we ever have. We usually run around 500.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
It's a motorhome,
Yeah.
and it's probably sitting about there. So you're here, walk over here.
Okay, let me look at that there a little closer.
No,
So
you
where are
never
we?
did that.
We're here.
Okay, at the
You
front.
walk,
Okay, so
walk
go to
past
the right.
shop and then walk straight over.
Go to the right, and then it's at the front here, eh?
Yeah, and we got you got 5 minutes.
Oh, I better go fast.
Yeah, you better. Because
Okay, point to it one more time for me.
Okay, so you're
Here,
here,
yeah,
walk
turn
past
right.
the shop, and then walk.
It's right at
straight
the
over.
front. Okay, thank you. I'll get out there right away. Thanks,
Okay,
Grant.
then, thanks.
Well, that's cutting her pretty close. I got 5 minutes here to look at the RV rear end, and here's where they have all their rear ends that are already taken apart and on racks. And here's their shop here where they work and take things apart. And machines for lifting cars up. How's it going? That's all the rows of cars down there. Well, we need to go this way. And we're looking for a Ford motorhome, an RV. Okay, I see it over there. There it is. There's the RV we're looking for. Hiding in behind here. I don't know how we're gonna get in there. It's quite a maze of cars here to walk in between. And there we go. Here it is. Well, this side's got the wheel on it. So let's hope the other side's got its wheel off. Or the brake drum off. Because that's what we need to look at. We need to look at a wheel that's got the brake drum off. There we go. Just turn on the light. So there we go. Oh, unfortunately, this has been ran right into the ground. But what we want to see is where that adjuster is there. See that adjuster there? That's what we want to see. We got to push on that tab from in behind and push that back. So it comes around the back like that. And at least now we kind of have a little bit of an idea. But oh boy, I was hoping to have a little nicer look at it than this. That is kind of hard to see still where I'm going to have to push. Wow. So this is what the inside of the brakes look like inside that big drum there. And there's the full floating axle here. That unbolts first. You got to pull the axle shaft out to get the drum off because it's bolted onto the end of it. So there you go, everybody. That's the best we're gonna get, and that's like wedged straight down into the dirt where I need to see down at the bottom of that, and I'm able to. So thanks for the old Vanguard here. The old Vanguard here, seen better days, and it's in the wrecking yard now, taking up quite a bit of space. Let's have a look at the interior of it. There's the water tank hiding under the seat there, and there's the upper bunk. Huge area up there. And the seating area, it's about the same place. And then they've got a little bit of a different arrangement here. They've got the sink and the stove here, both in the same spot, but this is different. Mine has a bathroom in the back corner. And it's got the bed to the whole back area there. And then it looks like it's got a bathroom here. Okay, yeah, so this one's got the bathroom here. And the bathroom here's got a little small tub in it. A little shower. And a toilet. Everything you need. So, here you go, everyone. There's a different layout here. You always see different layouts. You've got a little ledge over the doorway here. So, let's go back over here. Take a look here. Underneath the hood here. See if you can see where the vacuum lines go here on this carburetor. I want to see where they go at the very front here. Right down in there. There's a vacuum line that I don't know where it goes to. Oh well, can't really see. There's the module down here. These modules are the guys that always fail right there. Anyhow. Here you go, guys. It's another dead Ford RV here. It's a Autowrecking 350, and this one here is a little bigger than mine. So thanks for joining us, everyone. Stay tuned for Budget Traveler. So we're on an adventure to get our RV restoration project moving and out of where we got it parked in Souk. So stay tuned for new and exciting updates here. And what we do next, we're going to get a big torch and heat up that brake drum and hit it with a big hammer. That's the plan. What do you think of that? That's what we're going to do, everyone. So stay tuned as we maneuver our way out of here, out of this dark wrecking yard full of dead cars, because we're trying to look at the way they put these things together. So it's time to go, everybody. So stay tuned for more new and exciting videos, and don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe for more new and exciting videos from Budget Traveler. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see. We're in Duncan, BC at Blacky's Autowrecking today. In a wrecking yard, of all places.